AUDUSD, another interesting pair. We can see on the daily that it is similar to EURUSD. We had a strong bullish momentum. Finally, we started consolidating inside this channel. As you know, most of the times when there is a consolidation phase, the market makes a fake out before taking its real direction. So in this case, it made a fake out to the upside, and then it took its real direction to the downside. Finally, after dropping, let's see how many pips, from 0.73 to 0.70, 300 pips. So after dropping 300 pips and reaching this support, it finally came back for the retest of the breakout, and then it continued its downside momentum. At the moment, we are about to approach again this support area, and we drop down to the 4 hours. We can see that we have to be careful because we are at a very interesting zone. We are consolidating right now, right here, but probably what I'm looking for is for a sell on AUDUSD. Of course, we have to be careful about the news for the US dollar because there is a lot of going on in the United States of America. But other than that, other than being careful about the news, overall I'm bearish. I don't want to enter a sell from here because it will be very risky, but I would love to see a retest or a pullback to the upside before taking a sell from here. So that would be a nice trade. Let's see if we get this nice pullback before considering some sells. Let's move on. NZDJPY, NZDUSD 2 is another interesting pair. Let me see. NZDUSD, we have to go on the daily first. The daily chart, as you can see, we were on an uptrend for a very long time. Finally, we made this double top pattern. We started going down, but once we reached this support, then we weren't able to break below it. After reaching that support and rejecting it, we are now inside this pattern. Let me show you. Wait. We're now inside this pattern right here. So at the moment, of course, for NZDUSD, I believe that we will reach once again the upper side of the channel. But once we reach that level, since on the daily chart we rejected, we made, a double top. Let me show you again. On the daily chart, since we broke below this uptrend and also we made a double top, I believe that overall we are bearish. So I'm not considering any buy trade. I'm just waiting for the price to reach this level in order to enter a sell that could break below and could break out of this channel and also maybe of the support. So it could be a very, very big trade. It would be very interesting to see that happen during this week. So something like this would be very nice. Let's see if this will take place.